Here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro, and let me show you all the secret codes for the following device. So at first let's open the phone dialer, then go to keypad, and let's start with the first code, which is *##, 4636 ###. And now we are in testing mode performed by Google, where you can check phone information. So let's start with the first one, and here you can find IMEI number, phone number, current network, signal strength, voice service, data service, voice network type, and all the other details. And what is more, you can also run a ping test here. Simply click on Run Ping Test, and here you've got the solution. So let's go back. Then in phone info we've got the same thing, but for the second IMEI number. And then the third tab will show you all the Wi-Fi information. So we can start with Wi-Fi APA, where you can locate the disabled network, disconnect network, enable network, configured networks, and also the whole connection info. Then in Wi-Fi configuration, you will be able to come along with all configured networks. As you can see, I am not connected to any of them. And then Wi-Fi status, so here simply refresh status to come along with the state of your current network. You can also run a ping test here, simply by tapping on Run Ping Test. So that's the first code. Let's go back, and now we will check the calendar info, and the code for that is *##, *225, #**. And here you can check all the events, all celebrations and dates that were saved in your calendar in one place, so you will not forget about any important event. Let me go back. Now we will open Google Play Services. Simply enter *##, 426, ***. And as you can see, now we are in diagnostic mode, so you can come along here with events and status. And if you will click on the more icon located in right upper corner, you can also select advanced view to come with some more detailed information. Let me go back, and now truly useful code, which is *##, 64663, ***, and this one will allow us to test the device, to test Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro. So it's simply testing mode, in which you can check several features, actually 36. And let me show you, for example, how to test Vibrator. Simply click on it, and now select which mode is active. So it's interval vibrator, click here, and then tap on pass. Then let's open, for example, speaker.
6, 7, 6, 7.
And it also passed. So let's go back, and for example, let me pick display. So let's check the display if it's working correctly. It's red, green, correctly green, blue, it's also perfect. And that's it, it passed. So that would be all. This is how you can test your device, and obviously you can use some other feature, you can test some other tools. And let's go to the last code, very useful one, and also the shortest. It's *#06, and this one will provide you with both IMEI numbers assigned to your Redmi Note 8 Pro, and also with the serial number. Click on OK to go back, and actually that would be all. These are all secret codes that you can use in your device, in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.